pag utang Bisaya talagang naglalagay ako ng ano, MSG. Guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, today I'm going to cook vegetable soup. Ayan, or utang Bisaya guys. Ang tawag ko nito ay utang Bisaya. Talagang Bisaya itong na utang, pero walang kamunggay, ano lang, agbati lang guys. So first is I'm gonna, because my sagol-sagol is dried fish. Ayan. Cook muna natin to siya, guys. Yung dried fish ko. Ayan. Dahil nagsawa na ako ng karne, so dried fish ang ating ilagay. Ayan. Ayan. Ganito kami sa Pinas. Mag-utan na binisaya. Ayan. Ang subak is bulad. Ayan. Lutuin muna natin siya. Ayan. And then, pagkatapos niyan, lagay natin yung garlic. Ano pa, yung mga lamas. Unahan natin mga lamas. And then, mga veggies. Pakita ko mamaya yung veggies. Ayan. So, while cooking, ayan, we cut the veggies and the other stuff. Oh yeah, just the veggies. Okay. So guys, I already cut all of my veggies here. So as you can see, I'll have here okra. Ayan, pumpkin. Ayan, eggplant. String beans or long beans. Ayan. And then, because I like carrots, I put some carrots as well. Ayan. And this one, I think it's called patula. I don't know in English, but you can leave comments there what's in English in patula or sikwa in Bisaya, I think. I'm not really sure. So, leave comments if you know about this vegetable. Ayan, and I have the lemongrass here, guys. Ayan, lemongrass, and let's back here. Let's not burn our dried fish. So on the other side. Ayan. Ayan. Yeah, nearly. And then when it's ready, let's put in a plate to sit aside, and then we cook the lamas-lamas. Ayan, our garlic, ginger, and iba pa. Ayan. So here now guys, we use this oil to cook the garlic. Ayan, our garlic there now. Ba yung kulay dahil dried fish ang niluto natin dyan. Ayan, so let's add now I have the lemongrass and ginger. Let's turn the heat down because it's very hot. Ayan, so and then ayan, so let's add the carrots. Right? And then we add the water. So now we're gonna put salt. The salt in there already. So we put the lid on. So lid on, guys. And then bring to boil and simmer it. And then we add the other vegetable. So back here, guys, let's check. Ayan, it's boiling. It's boiling. Nag-iba yung kulay niya siya, guys. Pero it's okay. I think just the dried fish when I cooked before. Alright. And now we add this okra. Okra. Oh, one more thing there. Ayan. So, okra. Boil again. Few seconds. And then we put the other veggies. Ayan, check again. Now, the other veggies is ready to put in. We put together the eggplant and the patula. Ayan. Because they're the same. Ayan. And then let's add the dried fish. Let's add the dried fish. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Tatlo lang nilagay ko. Pang flavor lang yan siya, guys. Ayan, pang flavor lang yan siya. And then, you know what, guys? I use this MSG. Ayan, ganito kami sa Pinas noon, guys. Lagyan ng MSG. Ayan. Ayan. Pag utang Bisaya, talagang naglalagay ako ng MSG. Hindi ko nalagyan ng magic sarap. MSG lang. Masarap ang lasa niya. Sa MSG, pag ganito ang sabaw na lulutuin ko. Ayan, let's on. Check later. And I'm using this baby spinach. Ayan, it washed and ready to eat. Ready to cook. A minute before it's ready, we add this spinach, baby spinach. I love baby spinach. And this is called in Bisaya alagbati or agbati. Ayan. So, wala tayong kalamonggay. Pasensya na. Mas maganda sana kung may kamunggay or kalamonggay. Utan talaga. Bisayang utan talaga. Pero kasi nandito tayo sa Australia, mahirap hanapin ang kamunggay. Malayo magbili. Ayan. So, ito lang muna ang ating ilagay. Ayan. It's boiling there inside. Simmering. Ayan. Ayan. Let's check some. And we add the alagbati or agbati or spinach. Ayan. So, now let's open it, guys. Together. Ayan. So, we add the spinach. We add the spinach. It's already washed. So, no need to wash it again. Ready to put in. Ayan. Oops. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, let's on. Let's on. Ayan, guys, before I forgot I forgot these onions. Ayan, but doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put this now. Ayan, guys, I forgot the onions. I should stir fry it before, but it's alright. It's okay. I'm gonna just drop it there, not. Ayan. Ayan, ayan, the onion. Ayan, let's check it again. Oh. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan, this is ready na, guys. Let's taste. It's yummy. Very yummy. Let's add salt. It tastes good. It's really yummy. Yum. Yum, yum. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Take a picture. Picture. I think that's enough. Let's cook. Bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my vegetable soup or utan na binisaya. Ayan, kahit walang kamonggay, tawag ko nito is utan na bisayang utan. Ayan, thank you for watching. Hope you like and share. And please leave comments and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit that notification as well for you to notify for my next videos. Thank you and bye-bye.